Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status of your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So the easiest way to do this will be by installing the Surface Repair Tool application. Check the Microsoft Store, make sure that you have internet access, and see if you can find the Surface Repair Tool right here. Download this application, then open it, and click yes. Then here on the first page we'll be able to see our warranty status. So we have this warranty start date and warranty end date. And we can learn more about our warranty by tapping right here. We can also check the terms and conditions in this place. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.